What's up guys? Today I wanted to talk about some hidden iOS features that you probably didn't even know existed. So let's jump into the video. Alright, the first hidden feature is one that will be an absolute game changer for many. Did you know that you can actually scan documents using the built-in Notes app? So all you need to do to take advantage of this feature is open the Notes app, create a new note, and then tap on the camera button. Select Scan Documents, and then it will use your iPhone's camera to capture that document and create a digital version for you. You can even sign the scanned document right there in the app, and it's so convenient and saves a lot of time if you don't want to use a paper document. Now moving on to the next hidden feature. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important message by mistake like I have? Well, did you know iOS actually keeps those deleted messages for about 40 days? You can recover them by just heading over to the iMessage app, tapping on the edit button in the top left-hand corner, and then tap Show Recently Deleted. And there you'll find all of your recently deleted messages. Then you can easily recover any message you may need to restore. And now, before we go on to tip number 3, if you haven't clicked off this video yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my future tech content. Moving on to tip number 3. Did you know that you can easily toggle on a setting called Silence Unknown Callers? Simply go to your settings, scroll down to your phone settings, and enable Silence Unknown Callers. From now on, if a call comes in from a number that isn't in your contacts and hasn't been recently called by you, your iPhone will automatically send it to voicemail, which is an awesome feature if you want to put a stop to all of those annoying spam calls. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and will consider giving it a like and consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of my tech content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.